Hi, I'm Shay Scott, founder of Dump Dolly LLC and the inventor of the Dump Dolly. Today, we're here introducing the Dump Dolly's latest dumper, the Super Dumper with Easy Latch, the safest and easiest way to dump your trash on the planet today, and it only takes one person. The Super Dumper was designed to reduce the risk of workplace injuries by eliminating heavy lifting, strains to the body, and contact with the contents of that container. It's powered by 2 lithium slide-in type batteries that can dump up to 50 dumps in a single charge. The Super Dumper can dump 150 pounds safely and easily just with the push of a button. It's just that simple. The latch secures the trash can to the lifting bar on the dolly. It's easy on and easy off. It's a multitude of trash cans. If it has a lifting bar in front of it, it'll work with the Super Dumper. The Super Dumper is available in 3 different sizes, a 70-inch, an 82-inch, and a 94-inch, like this one right here. It fits most all dumpsters, and it's sure to fit yours too. Every Super Dumper comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, a dual charger, 1 toter 32-gallon trash can. It's a safer way to dump your trash. It's an easier way to dump your trash. It's a one-person operation. It's portable. It's easy to move and operate. A simple push-of-a-button process. And it takes up only less than 3 square feet of floor space. Dump Dolly, preventing workplace injuries one dump at a time. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to dumpdolly.com. Just that simple.